Welcome again to my channel Organic and Hydroponic Urban Grow Pro. Friends, today in this video we are going to talk about how to prepare a nursery into the pro tray of the vegetable plants. Friends, as we know, many types of vegetable seeds are very small in size, and if you plant them directly, then it will be difficult to maintain the distance as well as the tracing the plant and getting plant to the healthy condition. Instead of that, if we raise the seedling of that plant and transplant them on the healthy or mature condition, that will give the good results and we can work very easily into the field. So for that, we need to prepare the nursery either into the bed or into the pro tray. Today in this video, I am going to share you what are the things we require to prepare a good nursery into the pro tray and how to put the nursery into the pro tray so that we'll get the healthy seedling within the small period of time. All that information I am going to share in detail in this video. So to know everything in detail, please stay connected to the video till the end. Let's start this video. So friends, when we think of preparing the nursery, the first thing we require that seed. So we have the seed with us and we have selected a good hybrid quality of the seeds. So we are going to put tomato, capsicum, brinjal, all these seeds into the nursery for growing them. Now for putting the nursery, we require a couple of things ready with us. So first of all, for pro tray, we require a plastic pro tray with 98 holes or 104 or 105 holes. Many trays are available into the market. Then we need a media. Now here we are going to use a media with a combination of the three things. First we will take one part of soil, then we will add one part of cow dung manure well decomposted, and we will sieve that before using it. So all the particles are of the small size, and we are also going to use some sand. We will sieve all these three things to the same size and mix it well. Then fill the trays. Apart from this, we require a bowl where we can collect the seeds and treat the seeds. And for treatment, we are going to use a trichoderma for treatment of the seed. Trichoderma will protect our young seedling from damping off and other rotting disease into the initial stage of the plant. So with these things, we are going to put the nursery into this tray. Now we have already put the media pre-prepared and fill it in the tray. And now we will start the procedure for putting up the nursery. Now the first step we need to follow is to make the small size of the pit equivalent of the seed size. Now as we are going to put tomato, chili, brinjal seed into this, so we will put the hole around 0.5 centimeter with the help of some stick, or here I am using pen. So likewise we will put small holes into this, not too deep, so our seed will not get difficulty in getting out. Now if you see, this tray is pre-moistened and at the vapsa condition we have filled the tray. So we will not require any water till the germination takes place. So likewise we will do all the holes. So now we have completed our hole making work into this tray. Now it is time to start the seeding. Now for that, what we'll do, we'll take some seed. We have this cup with us and we are going to take some seed in this. After that, we'll add some trichoderma powder to these seeds. Okay, so we have taken these seeds, we have added some powder, and now we are mixing it well. So with this, all the seed will get coated with this trichoderma. This is the powder form of trichoderma, and you can see the treated seed into this like this. Now this trichoderma will help also into putting this seed smoothly, because the trichoderma powder having a talc which will make it smooth for releasing it. Now what we need to do, all the pits, what we have made small pits, we need to put seed into this like this. while putting, we need to take care. We must put only one seed per pit. So all the seed will have enough soil, enough space to grow, and that will give us a very healthy seedling. So likewise, we are going to put all the seeds into full tray, and after putting this seed, we need to cover this tray with the same soil. So by chance some twin seeds are there, we are separating out and putting into this tray. So we are putting one seed per hole without filling any hole, like this. So once we put all the seeds, we need to cover this with the soil. I'm just showing you demo. So we simply need to cover this soil with the hand so that the seed will get into the moisture level and it will start its germination process. So this is how we need to complete all our sowing of the seed into the tray. So now we have sown all the seeds and cover it with the soil. Now our sowing work is over. Now we need to stack all this tray into a separate place and cover it with the plastic. So here we are going to make the stack. We need to make sure that we can stack 8 to 10 trays at a stack. So we'll just take these trays like this and keep it into the little cool dark place for germination process to happen. After stacking the tray, we'll cover it with the plastic. So here you can see, here we have already put a stack of tray and cover it with the plastic. So the moisture is retained into this and we'll get the good germination. So this is how you can plant all this seed into this. Upon germination, we can spread this tray into the open and start giving water. But till germination, we will not give any water into this trays. So this is a simple way we can start our ProTrey nursery of any seedling. Here we are putting tomato, capsicum and brinjal. You can put with your choice of plant into this tray. For bigger seeds, you can choose a bigger tray. For smaller seeds, this tray is sufficient. So how do you like the process of making the Pro Tray and bringing up the nursery? Please write me back into the comment. And if you like my way of putting a Pro Tray, please give me a thumb on the video. You also prepare good nursery with this practice and have a very healthy seedling for the transplant. Happy growing!